Okay, let's see this new game from Smelly Frogs, I think. And it's called Crystals of Time. I'm decompressing here the files. It's taking some time. Maybe it will go a little slower because I'm recording this. And I wanna make you, and it's also remember that I am recording at a frame rate per second of 10 frame rate per second, so you will not see the game as fluid as it is. Maybe I will do another video with recording it at full at 60 frames per second. But for the moment, let's see here. Okay, we got the original file here in Python. That it's always cool to have it. Now we have these are the levels, so you can easily change them. Let's see if I run this, what happens. Okay, we have a tiny window here. Oh, it's fun the way it moves. It has some okay. Now this game has time. You see that things there. It's nice that you keep running for a sort of inertia that it makes the game more fun. The volume is, wow, I cannot move from here. Okay, let me see. Volume is a bit high. So it's nice, this thing, that you have this sort of inertia. So you have to, what? Oh, okay. You cannot go on those things. These inertia things make the game more difficult and more fun. The time also, oops. Okay, the idea is very, very fun, interesting. It's nice to play it. Oh, okay. Perhaps you have to run to pass that level there. Okay, it jumps automatically. Okay, you cannot go on those blocks. Now I get it. Oops. Okay, so I think you get what this game is like, and I think it's fun. So I think is you jump on this thing here. Okay, I get out of time. So I think this is very fun. One of the best games from Smelly Frog. The idea of the frog that was jumping around was very cool too, and with a lot of potential, but I haven't seen truly a sort of complete game. Maybe we will see some update from this great game author. I think great independent. This could be very good as games. They just need to have a bit of refinements and stuff like that, so that they will be very funny, very complete. So thanks to the author for making it free. It's very nice, and I think it will improve it. But for the moment, it's just very nice. It's just like it is completed. I think makes you wanna continue to play it. Maybe it can do a resizable here into. Let me see if I can do it by myself. Going here and adding. What happens? Resizable. Okay, resizable, it's not good. Let's see, full screen. And let's try double buff. Okay, so in full screen it's even better. Now I just have to find here how to. Where is the. The windows. Okay, so I have to close it like this. Close it. Okay, so thank you and see you next time.